Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fund in Metatrader 5. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, you will need to open up Metatrader, and from the navigator, you will choose Payments. Once you are on the Payments page, you will see Deposit to Account and Withdraw from Account. We want to click on Deposit to Account. Afterwards, you will be taken to a page like this. It is going to ask for the deposit amount and the currency. So you will type the amount here as well as choose the currency. And then the payment amount will be converted to your trade account automatically. But we have to choose a payment method. So here you can either use a card which you have connected, you can pay wire transfer or Visa directly, and the payment service provider. Here it's going to make you choose your card or you can add a new card. Now what's really important is that you write your email address correctly here. So double and triple check that your email is correct. And you can see the commission which is going to be taken. So the approximate amount that will be charged here is calculated to be this. Now after you have checked this info, the next step will be the broker here. So you will be able to see your order number and the total amount which you have to pay. And you will just have to type out your card number, the card holder, holder name, and the expiration date as well as the CVV. After you have typed all of this info, you can check here to deposit and make sure this is your account. And if you click on pay, that's going to fund into your Metatrader 5 account. And that's it. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.